Hey guys, what's up and welcome. Today we are going to be doing my Boxycharm for the month of October. And I'm coming at you from my closet because it's quiet in here. My family's out there. We just got home and this was in the mail and I wanted to dig in and see what was in there, but I was like, no, I need to do a video because I want to be surprised for the video. I don't want to know what's in there. So I have not peeked yet. I haven't gotten any spoiler emails. So let's dig in. All right, so this month it says Candy Shop and it looks like the card has, it's like Halloween-y. There's bloody hands on here. I did not notice that. So there's a bunch of candy and some bloody hands. Awesome. And then on the back, as always, it tells you what is in the box and how much it is. So first thing I'm seeing in here is from Dose of Colors, Meet Your Hue. Oh, it's a concealer, full coverage concealer. So this is what the little box looks like. And this is in the shade 13 Light Medium. And this is what it looks like. Okay, and then that's what and it's, oh wow, it's really big. It reminds me of the Too Faced one. Ooh, it smells like the Wet n Wild foundation that smells kind of like paint. It smells just like that. Oh, and I guess I could do a little swatch, eh? Yeah, it's super light. It looks very similar to the other concealers I have, so this will be good for brightening under the eyes. And light medium, that is the color I would have bought if I was going out to get that, so I'm happy with that. And this retails for, it's the multitasking full coverage concealer, has a lightweight, easy to blend formula, conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. I definitely need it for my under eyes. And it retails for $24. Okay, the next thing, oh my gosh, do I have food in my teeth? I just had a hot dog. So the next thing I'm seeing in here is some makeup brushes. This is from Luxie, and I absolutely love Luxie brushes. This is what the little bag looks like. It's super cute, nice little rose gold. I love Luxie brushes. Ooh, they're pretty. They're like a periwinkle color. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. It looks to be, let's see, there's a little spoolie. Let me see if it says on here. So pretty. I love these brushes so much. If you guys haven't tried these before, these are so good. This is a medium angled shading brush. That is what this one looks like. I've never bought these before, but I always get them. I used to get them in my Ipsy box. I get them in my Boxycharm. They are really good brushes. This one just says, oh, brow and lash. So it's just a little spoolie there. And I have my contacts in and I cannot read up close when I have them on. So bear with me if I'm squinting and having a hard time reading. This says tapered blending. So it's just a nice little tapered blending brush. Oh, I love these. And then this one looks just like one I got in another box that it was pink. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's a Luxie brush too, and I use it every day. Large shader brush. That's what that one looks like. Oh, I just love these. How many times have I said that? Oh, and this one's so cute. Just says blending, and it's a really teeny tiny one. It's really skinny. I love these. Yay, I'm super excited. Not that I needed any more makeup brushes, but I love these. So like I said, these are from Luxie. It's called the Wanderlust set. $40. These are $40. Okay. And then the next thing I'm seeing in here, what are you? Symbiosis London. HA2 plus PUL, what? Oh, hyaluronic acid and, oh my gosh, I cannot see. And I have no idea, you guys. It's a tightening and resplendent, oh my gosh. Why don't I know what this says? Tightening and resplendent eye mask. So I'm assuming it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is good. Hyaluronic acid is really good for, oh my gosh, you can't even see it. I'm so sorry. I'm using my phone and it's just not my iPhone doesn't really know what to do with this bright light. So that is what this looks like. And okay, so what do you do with this? Let me see here. Symbiosis London Tightening Eye Mask. Holy moly. This thing right here is $93. What? It says revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, that P word, as well as shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. So it literally does everything. Okay, I need this. What does it say? How do you do it? Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allow to absorb. Okay, well, I have a little bit of makeup on right now, so I'm not going to try it, but holy crap, I can't believe this is $93. Whoa. Feels good. Ooh, and it smells nice. Has like a really soft scent. Oh, almost like vanilla. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, I'm excited about that because my under eyes are my problem area. Like, I know when you smile, like you know, whatever. But like, I feel like now that I've hit 40, it's just like really, they've gotten really bad. So I'm excited to try that. Okay, next thing in here is from Ace Beauté. Is that how you say it? Draw It Lip Liner. I love this brand. Boxycharm always has eyeshadow palettes from them, and I love this brand. They're really, so far, like, ooh, you get 2 of them. I've always gotten really good products from this brand, so this is exciting. Okay, so it looks like there is Be Peachy. That's kind of like a brownie color. And then this one is called So Gorgeous, and it's red. These are so cute. I'm assuming they're for your lips, right? Draw It Lip Liner Duo. Yep, $16 for these. And I will go ahead and do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh. I mean, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I don't like dark colors. But at Christmas time, ooh, that one's pretty too. At Christmas time, it's always fun to rock a red lip. So this might be my Christmas lip liner. All right, there is one more thing in here, and it looks fun. This is from Beauty Bakery. Oh my gosh, I've never had anything from them. I've seen so many different people review this stuff. It's so cute. It's like food related, obviously, like Beauty Bakery. But okay, this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. I wonder if it's gonna smell really good. Dun dun dun. Ooh. It doesn't smell. It's really pretty though. So what is this thing called? Let's see here. What does it say? Oh, cashmere? What does this say? Beauty Bakery, breakfast in bed. Oh, I guess it says it right flipping on there. Whoops, breakfast in bed. So this retails for $38. And it says it's a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transition touch-up, which, yes, it is, because you could wear these colors during the day, and then if you want to darken them up a bit at night, this is really pretty. I am a fan. I always have, like, on my vanity in my bathroom, I always just have one palette that I use, that I seem to use like every single day. Right now I have a Tarte one, so maybe I will switch it over to this one because this one's really pretty. And I like how it's got some shimmers, and I like the mattes too. Cool. All right, let me do a couple. I'll do a couple little swatches here. This one is called French Doors. Ooh. Okay, that does not look like I was not expecting that. I don't know. It looks like it's going to be darker. This one is called Fresh Face, and they're really creamy. Like, they're really soft and not chalky at all. That one's really pretty too. All right, we'll do 2 more. This one is called Boo and a View. Oh wow, you could do a nice little smoky eye with that one. That's pretty. And then the last one we'll do Cuddle Cakes. Oh, what about Lazy Baby? That one's cute too. Okay, maybe I'll do one more. And then this one is called Lazy Baby. I don't think I've ever swatched with my thumb, but ooh, that's pretty. It's not too pigmented, but it's really pretty with the purple. These are pretty. Okay, Boxycharm, yet again, you had another great month. Last month, I believe, was the Boxy Luxe, right? And that was a really, really good box. I'm really happy with this one. Yay. Yeah, it was pretty much all makeup. I except for the $93 eye whatever. So very excited to try that out. All right, I am variation number 28, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this up and see what it's worth. Got my calculator. This is from, I've had this calculator since I was in middle school or high school, and I've been out of high school for a really long time. So I can't believe this still works. Whoa, $211 this one retails for. That's crazy. So yeah, this was a very good box. And I know some of you guys always ask what my weight is on my box, and my phone is recording me right now, so I can't check it, but I will put in the comments, or I'll put somewhere down below what the weight of my box was, just so you guys know, because I feel like I did get it pretty early this month, huh? It's the 10th, yeah, so that's pretty early. So all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes, if you've gotten them yet. What are you most excited about? I'm most excited about that $93 eye thing. But anywho, all right, you guys. Oh, and if you're new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.